All done. Alright, some braised goat and dumplings. Cheers. Nice spicy kick, not too much. Really, really good. So we got our chicken wings, 6 different sauces. So first up, PB&J. Nice little kick to it, peanut buttery flavor. Next we're gonna do some caramelized fish sauce. That is good. Got a nice little funk. Fish, little caramelization going on there. Really, really good. Next, do some marsala. That's good. Tons of Indian spices. So good. Let's do some stout barbecue next. Also really good. Some gochujang sauce. Yeah, definitely get the kick, the spice. Really, really good. Last but not least, let's just try their classic. Nice spice, vinegar, super classic buffalo.
Aaron, tell her again to pick.
Really good. All sauces, top notch. And wait till you see what I have coming up next.
Oh, you got a big one. You got a big one. Yeah.
Little eyeball. All done. I just gave it a kiss goodbye.
Oh, okay.
I'm not taking the bones home. We have a little bit of goat brain masala. This is a Pakistani/Indian style restaurant. So here we go. Cheers. Oh man, flavors are amazing. Got that really nice spicy kick. Oh my god, they're just bursting with flavor. This is amazing. Definitely recommend the place. If you're into curries and trying new foods, trust me, the goat brain, the texture's not that bad. It's a little mushy, but with all the spices and flavors, it's amazing. Some garlic naan too. If you're a fan of the breads and the naan, awesome. And I love my lemonades. Homemade mint lemonade. Amazing. Top notch.